Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Simon Hong. Actually, I'm from Korea. We are located in China, in Dongguan City. So this is actually, my first YouTube. Through YouTube, I want to introduce my product. So first of all, I want to introduce Simarex product. We are mainly produce die casting product for LED lighting products. So I would like to show you the product for our company product in here. So the first product, okay, I want to show you. We has this product has garden lamp. This is a garden lamp lighting. This is actually 100 watt to 150 watt can be usable. And then this is also we have the pole has in the middle side, so it can be in the park like this position, and then it can be adjustable. It can be the pole can be make 360 degree to 90 degree, whatever you want. It can be adjustable the degree. And then another product, so I want to show you this type. This type. Also, it's the same design, but the pole position is different. Pole position is different. So you can be in the park. You can see the similar product in the outside. So you can see. So another product I want to show you. So another product is also this is the garden lamp also. Also we can say the park lighting is okay. And the pole is in the middle side. This is one is 30 watt to 20 watt. The whole position is you can be make 120 watt. 120 watt. And this is actually price very competitive. Very competition prices actually this. And one other side as this. This type has the egg type. You can see here. Actually, inside has a reflector actually, so the brightness is very comfortable for eyes. Another type I want to show you this. You can look at this here. This has three types. One is this types. One is this type. One is another type. We has also. So we have actually three types. This is weight is around 7.5 kg around this. So now I want to introduce another types for the garden lamp. This garden lamp, you can hang on like this, and then you can make a module inside. As you can make a module, and then this is the transparent color for PVC. And we can make one, this is transparent color also, as well as milk color. So two color you can open like this. You can see here. This is another street new. Now I'm talking about the street lighting. We can go to talking about the street lighting. Street lighting has this is the module type. This is actually we have 4 module and 6 module has. If you want to use 2 module, you can be hold this position. It can be 2 module you can be using. Otherwise, if you want to use 3 module, you can module 3 module you can use or 4 module. show you this. Okay, look at here. We have two sides here. This is the 6 motor, 150 watt, 160 watt. We can be, if you push it, and then you can be make a hole here. And then usually this types usually the security street lighting. And then this is the main street. This is the main street they're using 160 watt. We also have Korean time module instead. Now I want to introduce most popular design. This is the most popular design, and then the shape is very smooth, and then you can be open like this. The side part has, and then you can open like this. You can open. Okay, you can put power supply here. And then also surge protection you can put here. So you can be after for the device put here, and then you can be the lock like this. This is actually 3 sides. Yes, 3 sides. One is 160 watt, one is 120 watt, one is 80 watt. You have 3 sides. Now another types, also this is also popular design, but design is different. First design and this design different. Also very smooth. It's a NAMA position. You see here is inside. It has NAMA position. You can put the NAMA here. The NAMA it can be sensor control. We have actually this is also it's 4 sides. 4 sides. There's another small size. This is 60 watt to 80 watt. This is 150 watt. It also has a middle size. Another 2 sizes it has actually. This is 2 years ago in Europe, very popular design. Like this. Also, this has 4 sides. 4 sides. And then we have this is a NAMA position. If you don't need a NAMA, we can make a flat. There are 2 types. One is a NAMA type, or a non-NAMA type. So you can. It depends on you. If you need a NAMA, you can use this. So if you don't need a NAMA, you can make a flat design. This street lighting is a very heavy tray compared to first design, second design. Mostly, this is more heavier than the first design and second design. This is look at here. And then if you open it, here, the connector has this. The first design, second design, third design, we are not supplied the connector. But if you need connector, we can supply. But this is together with the connector. The power supply here, so much more space here. Also, this design has 4 sides: 200 watt, 150 watt, 120 watt, and then 80 watt. Also IP65. So now we are talking about highway. We call factory lighting. So highway. This highway has a 3 design. If you see, if you see the catalog, our catalog, look at this 3 design. One is 150 to 200 watt. The middle is 120 to 150 watt. Small size is 100 watt. We have 3 sizes. This has the flat type in a PC cover, or another type is a lens type. So if you need to depend on you can select the lens type or flat type in a PC cover. You can select it. And then here the power supply position. Power supply position has like this. Another type high bay is this. We have 2 design. One is 150 watt, 100 watt. The lens type or the glass type or piece cover also okay. Yeah. Yes. And then you can the power supply case put here. Look at this. This is also IP65. Another high bay. This is another high bay. This is 100 watt. This is 150 watt. 150 watt. You can put power supply this position and hang on like this. And this actually has a reflector. The reflector has a reflector. If you need a reflector, it can be put reflector. So this 2 type has a reflector type. This is a reflector type high bay. Okay, here we go. We're talking about flood lighting. This flood lighting is last year most of the best selling. And this is you can be using 200 watt. We have 3 sides. 200 watt, 120 watt, in the 80 watt. We have 3 sides. So it can be used a lens. You can put the lens here, this position lens. And the power supply put inner type. So power supply inside here position. The IP65. And here, this is 100 watt. 80 watt to 100 watt. Like this. Okay. This is another spot lighting. Spot lighting is the cycle type. And in the small, stadium or the ground, there's some school, some park area they're using. It can be adjust like this. If you need a reflector, you can use a reflector. Otherwise, you don't need a reflector. You can make a plate. This has like this. And we have another device here like that. It can be adjusted. How much degree it can be controlled. And then this is you can hold in the port position. Also small size. This small size also has. This is 3 sides. Small size also has spotlight. If you need reflector, you can use a reflector here. Adjustable. Because this is IP65. Look at here. The power supply you can put here inside. Another type is square type. square type. This is square type. It has also three sides. Small size, the middle size, other size, it has actually three sides also. This, the power supply put here inside. Inside. So also IP65 and can be adjusted. You can control here. Adjust. Now we are going to the product writing for very thin type, very thin. Here around 50 millimeter, less than 50. I think 40 millimeter is thickness. You can see very thickness, and the power supply here. This size is around 150 watt. Can be used, and then the glass. This is a tempered glass, IP65, and then this type also lens, the lens type. Brand, you can put your lens here, small size. Actually, this is a 4 size. And another big size is so it can be used around 250 watt to 300 watt, more big size also. But too heavy. I can if you need this big size, you can check my web page or contact me. I can send more information about size and more information. Okay. Also, cycle type. This is price condition is good. Price condition is good. Normally garden side sport lighting, also food lighting you can put like that. So there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 size actually. 5 size. We have 5 size. Biggest wattage is 60 watt to 50 watt to 60 watt. Small size is so you can use it like 10 watt around. Another probe light. Actually, this has 3 sizes. 3 sizes. One is 200 watt. This is 150 watt. This is 80 watt. This can be used lens. And then the power supply, the back side. Back side. Another type. This is most heavy stadium lighting. You can call it product lighting. This is around 500 watt to 600 watt. If you see our catalog, this you can make actually this is 1,600 watt wattage. Look here. If you connected two component, it can be used 1,000 watt modem. We have 2 types. One is 600 watt, one is more big size. It's 400 watt or 600 watt. We have 600. You can, if you connected, it's 1,200 watt. If you need more big size, we can make 1,600 watt easy. So normally this the product lighting using for the stadium, big ground, or golf course, that area they're using. This is a lens type, also lens. It can be used lens, and the protection. If somebody hit the stone, you can protection. The grid has protection grid has, and the regulator has also. Yeah. Another type, this is gas station, petroleum station. We call gas station, the lamp. You can hear like the hang on, and then get this. We have actually gas station lamp. Another design has another design I want to show you in through our homepage. Wow, if you connected to me, and I can send more information about gas station, the product list. Another, this is also gas station also. Gas station. Like that. Now we are talking about line bar. Actually, we have this line bar has maybe more than 30, I think 40 design has different shape. Another shape this, another this. Another this, something like that, This is one of our popular selling, also. This is also popular selling. And then also this. This is IP65. Whole is IP65. This is IP64. They're using in your factory. The line, the hang on. The size is depend on you. If you make 1 meter, you can cut 1 meter. If you need 2 meter, you can cut 2 meter. So size is depend on you. Of course, the price is really different, but depend on the size, price and size. Okay. Show you this. Actually, this type also has many types, many designs. More than we has 50 different size, different shape. All the front size glass, tempered glass, and the strong aluminum body, and then the connector connected in the wall. This position is put in the power supply inside. Like if you need to different on outside the power supplier. So many sizes. So if you need more information, I can send the email through whatever you need. I can send more size and spec. This is a ceiling lighting. The IP65. With many designs. Actually, this is actually has more than 20 different types. It has actually. So another type. Here, another types. Yeah. We have many different types. Has actually. Okay. Mm, I cannot introduce whole product in here, but we have so many designs, so many types, like the coffee shop lighting, design lighting, ceiling lighting, so many different types has. Also another, I forget another. It's explosion lighting. Explosion lighting. This is explosion lighting. Explosion lighting. Explosion lighting. We have this type has around 10 design has 10 design. Also we make this explosion lighting as your design. If you open the mold, we can open the mold for you. Yeah. By the way, this design has so many design, so more than 20 design, different design. So one is the cycle type, square type, many design. So anyhow, if you need more information, please feel free to contact me and send Skype or WhatsApp or WeChat. Our WhatsApp is my telephone number, so the 1353 1353843141. This is WhatsApp or WeChat ID number, or you can contact me Skype. Skype is my name is Simon Ong. So Simon to home you can contact. More information you can check my catalog or YouTube or send email, and then that way I can send more information to you. Thank you very much.